Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 7th, a Cancer. Your cards are the Two of Pentacles, the Hangman, and the Judgment. Parang si person yata nagdadalawang isip pa, no? Parang nagfa-fluctuate yung energy. Ibibigay ko ba yung love? Ibibigay ko ba yung commitment? So parang ikaw na dun ka sa, I'm not complaining. Our worlds might be on an upside down, but I'm not complaining. I am also not settling for less, pero bahala ka kung anong gusto mong gawin. Pero ito, March 1st to 7th, ito yata yung parang sinasabi nating magkakaroon na ng action. Nako, ang maganda kasi dito, parang ito yata ang birthday gift sa akin for the Cancers, no? Yeah, it's my birthday. Itong week na to. March 1st to 7. Pero nakikita natin dito yung actions kasi ito yung ibinibigay ngayon ni person na parang willing, no? Willing niyang ibibigay. I think that your person might also be um, a water sign. It may be or meron siyang water sign placement. Pero nakikita kasi natin dito, yung actions niya, ibinibigay niya is more coming from the heart. No? So this is your quick reading for March 1st to March the 7th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.